In today's video, I'm gonna show you two ways to get the reply option on Instagram apps. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Just keep watching until the end. So the first step is you have to go to the Play Store and then search for Instagram app, and you will find this option. It says update. After you click on the update option, then it will update your Instagram app easily. And after it gets updated, then you have to go to Instagram, go to the profile and go to those three lines, click on them, and right here you must find an update messaging option. If you found it, then you have to click on it. After you click on it, it will update your messages and you will get the reply option. If you didn't find it, go to the settings, click on the apps, and then go to the apps manager. Let's wait a few seconds, and yeah, after it start loading, scroll until you find Instagram, click on it and click on force stop. Don't forget to like, subscribe.